What to plant in July? 1. Pumpkin. On the off chance that you need pumpkins for baking, harvest time decorating or carving, this moment's the opportunity to get your seeds in the ground. Search for conservative assortments in case you're lacking in space. However, those vines actually need around 6 to 8 square feet to develop. Spawn a couple of pumpkin seeds in each opening, and keep water, particularly when blossoms and natural products are forming. 2. Greenery Rose. These tough low-growing succulents, additionally called portulaca, tolerate warmth and dry spell. They sprout the entire summer until hard ice and watch amazing draping out of hanging bins or beds. 3. Tomato. It's anything but too late for tomatoes, which worship warm temps. However, read the plant labels. While numerous assortments of tomatoes require around 100 days to develop, you'll find some in the 50 to 60-day range, which actually gives you an adequate chance to collect before icing in many environments. 4. Zinnia. These solid annuals give a blurred nursery new life in striking shades of red, orange, white, salmon, and hot pink. Zinnias sprout and blossom with no fussing from you since they're super warmth and dry spell tolerant. 5. Greens. In cooler areas of the nation, start your fall harvest of spinach now. Seed in columns as you did in the spring. Cover gently with soil, and keep wet. In warm environments, decide on other spinach-like plants that can deal with the warmth, like Malabar spinach, which is really a vine with consumable leaves. 6. Pentas. These annuals are incredible summer knickers in happy pink and purple and unadulterated white tones. Butterflies, honeybees, and hummingbirds love pentas. They function admirably to liven up blurred containers or to add a layer of shading to scenes. 7. Marigold. These tough as nails annuals stay enthusiastic until a hard phrase. In splendid shades of yellow, gold, orange, and a surprisingly smooth white, marigolds look great in any nursery setting and add a brilliant fly of shading to containers or bed. 8. Beans. It's in no way, shape, or form too late to briefly yield of beans, or even a first harvest in the event that you've as of late opened up some space in your nursery. They love a warm climate, so seeds will germinate rapidly. Bramble beans and post beans, which require a lattice or net to climb, are productive, so the more regularly you pick, the more you'll get.